All right, hey y'all, welcome back. Thanks so much for tuning in. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna go right on into this little nail set. So go ahead, get you something to eat on, something to drink on, sit down and watch my little video. All right, so these are nail tips that I'm gonna go in using. These are some XL coffin no C-curve nail tips. All right, if I said that right, you get the gist. But these are nail tips. All right, so let me go ahead and apply these. I'll be right back, sis. All right, so now since I went ahead and applied my nail tips to my fingers here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in ever so lightly with my little Melody Susie drill here, and I'm going to try to blend my nail tips into my natural nail. I'm not going to do too much blending because I don't want to wear off my base coat that I have on up under these nail tips. And the reason I got a base coat on up under these nail tips is because I'm doing the whole pop off method. I don't plan to keep these nail tips on my fingers that long, okay? So yeah, if you want to know how to do the whole pop off method, I already did a video. So I will try and leave it up there, you know, in a corner somewhere. You click on that link, go check it out. Yeah, and for the question that young lady asked me, do I use cuticle oil? I don't use cuticle oil to do my pop-off methods. I do it a whole different way, and I find it easier the way that I do it. So now I'm going to go in with my clippers here. Now, I apologize, y'all, for the last video I did, and I used these clippers, and I didn't explain to y'all what I was doing. I had a couple folks asking me, girl, what's that extension on your nail tips? Girl, look, I am so late to the game. I just thought everybody knew about these little suckers for real. I got this little hack off TikTok, okay? And what these are magnets. And I purchased these magnets off Amazon. I'm going to leave a link down in the description bar below with the exact ones that I have because they sell them in all different sizes. So, yeah. So, what I do is I put these here on my clippers. Okay? Uh-oh. Girl, these suckers strong. I put these on my nail clippers. And what they do is they give you the precise length that you want your nails to be cut at. So now, the last time I did my video, they was at this here length. Nah, these ain't gonna get it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take them down just a tad bit. Maybe take off, maybe, I don't know, girl, hold on. Ooh, these suckers are strong. Hold on, girl, hold on. There we go. What I got here? 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. I don't know, I think I took off about 8, okay? You ain't got to worry about them, girl. They ain't going nowhere. They catch on to everything. Let's see if this it. Let's see if the, nope, this not it. So I got to take off another couple more. Okay, let me see. And again, I said, girl, look at these suckers. They so strong, girl. They so strong. Let me see if that's it. Yeah, that's it, okay? So I'm going to go in. I'm going to cut the little number off each nail tip, okay? That's about as long as I want them. All right. So, yeah. That's that. So again, I apologize, y'all, for that. It's like I say, I thought I was the only one, girl. I thought I was late to the game with everything. But not saying you late, sis. I ain't saying all that. I'm just saying, you know, hey. Well, yeah, you is late too. Girl, you late too. Go ahead, you late. Don't all forget about it, girl. Don't even read about it. Don't read about it. You know, I mean, it happens to the best of us. We be a little late on things. Anyhow, but yeah, so these little things is trending all over TikTok, y'all. So that's what that is. Alright, so I'm going to go in. I'm going to use this here little holographic glitter mix that I made back some years ago. Okay? I'm going to use that in such a way as well as this here Glam and Glitz Martha. Okay? 346 Martha. It's a nice dark brown. So we're going to go in and use that in such a way as well. And then I'm going to go in using... I'm trying to incorporate some of these here leaves in here too as well. Okay, so y'all just trust the process and go and get you something to eat on, something to drink on. I'm going to try and talk through this video, but if I can't, girls, because I'm trying to focus. You know what I mean? I'm trying to focus. So let me go ahead and then it's going to be kind of hard for me to talk to, girl, because I need my mask on my face. I ain't even playing. I need my mask on. Ooh, I need my mask on my face. So... right, let me cure this. I'll be right back. So now with this nail, I'm going to flash cure this one because I'm going to add some acrylic to this one. So I'm going to add a little clear to my brush. Then I'm going to go in with this glitter mix. And I'm going to try and go in and, add the glitter mix. Like that. Try and mark the glitter mix in there. Then I'm going to go in and add my leaves. Like that. Add some leaves. And put a leaf up here. Alright, since I had absolutely no idea what I just did with my little ring finger here, I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate these nails. And let's see what we got here. Okay? I mean, it looked kind of cute, but I just wanted that brown swirl. You know, y'all get the jigs of what I'm saying, right? I just wanted that brown swirl to come off through the little... whatever, child. Let me go ahead and encapsulate this in Fall Shaping Buff and Top Coat. See what our outcome going to be. So here's the nails after they've been file shaped and buff. I decided to go in, girl, and add a little bit of gold foil to the nails just to give it a little bit more pop because, you know, I wasn't really feeling all that brown. So, yeah. Anywho, as I was filing, girl, my pop-off method is so good. The middle finger right here, girl, popped off on me. So I had to use some press-on sticker stuff to pop it back on. But, you know, again, I say these are press-on nails, so never you mind that. Don't be alarmed. If you see it lifting at the cuticle, that's what it is, okay? So, yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with this Beetles top coat. This is a nice thick top coat too. I like it. Okay, Beetles. Well, that turned out cute. Okay. All right, here's the final look. Tell me what you think. If you like them, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you don't, I understand. Okay?